Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to set up WooCommerce login for your customers. Let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is we need to add a new page, will be our account page. So click on this add new page right here, and then this will create the product block editor or page editor of WordPress itself. Now click on this blank page right here, and then once it's been created, you should be able to see this. So let's name this my account. Once it's been named, let's click on this plus icon on the block and search in here for short code. And then once it's been added, you just need to add this particular code that I will show you. So just add this right here, and then once you have done that, click on this publish option from in there and publish it however you want. Now this is what it will look like once you have head over and previewed your account that you have just created. You can log in, you can actually hear your password, remember me, login. You can also enable social login as well. Now you can also try to reset your password right here just using that particular shortcode. Now if you don't want to do the things that I have done, you can also install a plugin, which is this Ultimate Member, User Profile Registration, Login, Member Directory, Content Restriction, and Membership plugin. So you can head over and install this particular plugin right here in order to create your own My Account or registration account or login for your customers. Now, once you have done that, just head over and then proceed. Now, let me show you what it looks like on our settings on our WooCommerce. Now, on our settings, click on this accounts and privacy from in there. And then once you have done that, you can see in here this. So you can allow account creation. So make sure to allow customers to create an account, which can automatically generate the account username. You can also create an account and send a link for their password. Or you can also allow customers to create an account on the My Account page. So make sure that this one is turned on. Once you have done that, scroll down and click on this Save Changes right here in order to save all the changes that you have made. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.